Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of the Small Soldiers Steelbook. The front cover is 4K Ultra HD, Blu-ray, and digital color. Back cover here comes with special features, behind the scenes look at the making of the Small Soldiers, from the cutting room floor bloopers. The disc 1 is 4K Ultra HD definition widescreen, English master audio, subtitles English captioned. Disc 2 Blu-ray high definition, English master audio, subtitles English, and English SD. This movie's PG-13. Director Joe Dante's Gremlins Wild Special Effects Field Adventure debuts on 4K Ultra HD in this limited edition Steelbook. The Commando Elite are action figures with an attitude, not to mention military-grade computer chips. When they break out of their boxes, two teenagers enlist the kind-hearted rival Gorgonites to save their town before it's turned upside down, featuring the voices of Frank Langella, and Tommy Lee Jones, and co-starring Kristen Dunst, Gregory Smith, Jay Moore, Phil Hartman in his final role, Dick Miller, and Dennis Leary. Small Soldiers is a twisted toy story unlike any other. Here's the back cover, how it looks. And let me open it for you guys. Okay, now let me open it. This is how the inside looks. Like the design that they put in the back cover and the front cover. Comes with the 4K Ultra HD disc and the Small Soldiers Blu-ray disc. Let me know in the comments down below if you got this Steelbook and which one is your favorite character from the movie. Thanks for watching.